Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to connect a YouTube account to your Discord. So to do this, first of all, what we need to do is open up Discord like this, and then we'll go down and click on the settings option found on the bottom left corner. Click here. Then once you're on the settings window, on the left side, you'll see a list of options. Click on the option that says connections. Then once you've opened up the connections window, you'll see different options here and click on the arrow right here. Once you've clicked your arrow, you'll see different websites and you need to find YouTube icon and click on YouTube. Then once you've signed in, you can control what Discord can access. You can select the settings you want and then you'll click on continue. Then once you're done, this message will appear saying that you connected your YouTube and your Discord account. So this is how you connect your YouTube account to your Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.